Howdy, everyone. Hey, so we're at the Oliver in the Heights. This is their studio. My goodness, how cute is this? So I've just walked in, and this is already cool, a little study area, and you're all set up with a study area. But then look at this. This is the best studio ever. Hey, a huge closet, and it's got a washer dryer in there, and adorable kitchen. This kitchen is greatness. This is a studio. What? This is so cute. Look at all the appliances. You got beautiful appliances here. And then, hey, look, you've got a great bed area here. This is awesome. So, hey, a bed, and then I love the way that there's just a couch right in front of it. This is perfect. This is awesome. This would be a great way to be in the very popular Heights area, but at a very moderate price. You wouldn't believe what the price is on this studio. All new, gorgeous apartment, and with studio prices. Sign me up. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, there's a number below, and it's my personal cell phone number. Send me a text and go, Grant, man, I like the studio. I like the look of it. And I'm looking to get something in the Heights, something new, but a moderate price. Just send me that text and I'll work with you right away. We'll get you pricing and availability of the Oliver. And I can't wait to hear from you. I'm super cool, easy to talk with. This is a totally free service. So send that text, and you can always go to uptown101.com and fill out a search request as well, and just introduce yourself there too. Okay, we got another video for this. It's coming up right now.